shove her down the hill. She'll be my eyes and ears on the other end.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so the motor's gonna pull and push.
Wow.
You'll stay here, or do you can transfer to the other? So the
I'll
person
stay
on
right
the other
here.
side basically just gives you direction.
No, I'm staying right here.
Okay.
We used to do a runaround.
It's a
Too
lot of
much work and
It's a lot of work.
for nothing really. I
Yeah.
mean, the conductor's got an emergency valve, a horn, a radio. I can stop this train at 20 miles an hour in 8 cars. One of the first examples of the Rio Grande striking first. And in your picture, you'll notice that the gauge here on one side from railhead to railhead was standard gauge, but on the inside that was narrow gauge.
Right.
So this is what they call dual gauge. Dual gauge rail was made for something
Did you see that?
standard like
Yeah.
us to ride on
Yeah.
railhead to railhead, but on the inside, the Santa Fe, they ran narrow gauge. So the Santa Fe through this section, even though the Rio Grande built that little house right there,
Yeah.
the Santa Fe put in dual gauge.
Ah.
So one of them. So right here is truly the beginning of the gorge. What we were in back there was a canyon.
Okay.
This is truly the mark of the gorge right now. And right at the beginning of the mark of the gorge, you'll look over here on the north side, on the south side, and you'll notice what looks like a wooden pipeline. Well, that pipeline that I had you pay attention
Oh,
to
yeah.
way back there,
Yeah.
163, that pipeline that was made out of metal now turns into wood.
Wow.
This pipeline right here made Canyon City the first city in the state of Colorado to have running water in every home.
Okay.
But,
He truly was.
I was. I tell everybody that. But yeah, if you look over here in these sections where all those bands are, what they had to do with that pipeline is wrap that California redwood every 3 inches with a band.
Wow.
So there are a lot of bands out here.
There's the bridge up there.
Oh, cool.
I'm still not stopping.
Have you ever done it?
Oh, I have. I've done all of them.
You're crazy.
But I'm the lunatic that'll jump out of a perfectly good airplane.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
No.
No, it's still.
Nah, I love it.
No, I had a heart attack last year.
Oh,
so
okay.
I was like, my husband and I now wherever we go, we're out in the field, and now we're jeeping, and he has an AED for me. So we were sitting here, and I looked down here, and you've got an AED in here. I was like, oh, that's good to know.
It's good to know, yeah.
So there's no way I'd ever do that.
No, and I'm CPR certified. Are you? Well, I'm CPR certified.
Well, he knows what to do too.
You're in good hands.
Yay! Holy cow! Right. Okay, have you crossed it?
So what now?
Have you crossed that?
Have you?
I'm not going up there. I'm not.
She said, oh no.
No, I'll fly. I just flew yesterday, but as far as going up there, it's not happening. Yeah, no.
I'm gonna get her up there. Don't worry.
No, it's not.
I'm gonna drag you onto that bridge. Another one of those obstacles that Denver and Rio Grande got to is when they got right here to this corner, they realized the rock wall went all the way out to the water, but for a very long section. So what they had to do is they had to kind of get creative. The structure that you see in front of you, not the walkover bridge, but the bridge beyond that, is called the hanging bridge. So what they did is right here in this section, from rock wall to rock wall, this is the most narrow spot. And from rock wall to rock wall, it's only 30 feet across.
Wow.
What they had to do is they put steel girder from rock wall to rock wall, and right now, for more than 120 years, this bridge has held the weight of the train. We're being held by this same bridge right now.
Wow.
Incredible, right?
Yeah.
So incredible that in when this bridge was created was in 1903. In 1904, United States of America came down here and took a picture on his own private chartered train. He came down here and took a picture. Do you know who the president was in 1905?
Nope. Was it Teddy Roosevelt?
You got it!
All right.
Good job, man. Let's say, the story of this pipeline gets crazier and crazier the more I tell it. So this was an 8.5 mile long wooden pipeline, something I haven't told you yet. But one of the most impressive things about this pipeline. So it was built between 1908 and 1910, in 2 years. Did you notice when we were coming up, there was a prison on the other side of the road?
Right.
Well, back before that was just a prison, back before Colorado was even a state, that was the territorial. So for this territory, that was the prison. And the territorial prisoners built that pipeline in 2 years.
Wow.
What makes that so impressive is the prisoners weren't allowed in a lot of other excavating materials like you would a normal worker. So they weren't allowed dynamite, you know?
Yeah.
They were prisoners. They weren't allowed that kind of stuff. So the most advanced piece of tool they were allowed was a thing called a widow's maker. Do you know what a widow's maker is?
No, I do not.
So a widow's maker is a big box with a drill tip on the front of it. It was powered by steam. So it was a steam-operated drill.
Last week we were on the Durango, the Silver King one. Yeah.